Dear friend, here I will show you how to edit my tutorials or content in Openshot video editor software. So you will just follow my instruction. Now we'll import either image or audio or video. So to import a image file, we'll click file, then file to import, then we'll select the specific images. That is, in that case we'll select a thumbnail, that is the starting picture which will be shown while I will start my tutorials. So after that we'll incorporate or import another video file. And extra, if track are available, we will one by one remove all the tracks. And remember, the first track will be render first, then it will be override by track 2. If we need some other pictures, then we will fetch one by one, and we can keep all the pictures in one track and video in one track and audio in another track. So file to import, then select picture. We can also change or drag our video files, audio files, and we can arrange it accordingly. We can also transform our pictures on right click on the content, then some dot will come and we can resize accordingly, and we can also place it to a specific position. We can also resize our screen, that is preview screen and project file screen also. So after resizing, we will place it in a specific position. We can preview it by clicking the play button. Okay. We can also zoom our preview section, that is the timeline section, by zooming it. We can also free software import some animated text, download it or normal text internet, but in case of animated text you must have to install the Blender, otherwise it will Blender not work. And the Blender path is to be set from edit to preference, and then you have to write the specific installation path, otherwise you will get some error message. After setting the Blender, you can customize the specific intro purpose animated text. You will customize it and render it and incorporate to your project. But we can easily import any predefined some text. These are free, and at first you have to select any specific pattern, then you will change the title and subtitle or whatever you want to write, and there will be a file name, that is this text is also a one kind of picture file. Okay, so after saving everything, we'll click or save it, and it will come into the specific project file. Here I customize it in title section, step by step process, and in subtitle I change it the Windows, and I will provide some file name. I'll change the background color to a specific color, and when this is created, then I will save it. Customized file is saved here and can be used later for different project also. Now from title we will fetch the file to the project file, and then we will fetch to the specific track. Okay, next will, if we need another picture or something, then we can also fetch it. And now filter, I am using here a crop filter. The crop filter will crop upper portion or lower portion. You can crop from left or right section also. We click on the right. Now press right click and go to the property section, and in this property section, top bottom, top, left, right, if we increase, then it will crop from bottom. If we increase the top, then it will crop from top. So top or bottom, I will use these two properties. Initially we set our pointer at some location, and after 3 to 4 seconds we again reset these two values. That is, this two pointer must be important, otherwise the effect will continue in the whole clip. So look at again to these two properties. One is near about 50%, another was near about to 0%. That is, this 3 to 4 seconds I will get an effect from middle portion to higher portion. If we press the play button, then we will properly see it. Now place the pointer button just before the transition will start or croppings will start, and after setting this pointer we'll press the play button and this effect will come. Okay, you can do it or incorporate it in your any kind of content. Next, focus at the transition. Transition means that is one kind of sliding effect which is actually used very easily in Microsoft PowerPoint. So we just fetch one transition to our clip and we'll resize it, and we just play before the position where the transition will start. Okay, and this is the effect. You please ignore this cursor because it is captured from our screen. You have to focus this cursor. Ignore the small cursor because it is captured by screen recording software. Let's say I am inserting another transition, wipeout transition. It is from left to right. We just drag it to the clip and it will display the effect. So let's play, and this is the needed. You can copy a slide by using Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V, and at the end we will include one Thanksgiving slide or picture which will be imported by this slide or picture, that is, it will be come at end. The last task is to export. At first we have to provide the file name. It may be anything, say module tutorials 1 or anything, and folder path we have to already set. We'll get the output from there, and then we'll select a MP4 file type pattern, and it is recommended that you keep it 720p and medium size file, and we'll click in export video button and it will start exporting. It will take near about 5 to 10 or 15 minutes. depending on the size. And finally we can open and see the video. Next I'll show you how to voice over a video. And for today, thanks for watching.